covering news where you live. This is 5 News at 6.
And tonight at 6, the Attorney General's office says it is now investigating a purchase near the 188th and Fort Smith that could possibly have ties to China and the Chinese Communist Party.
5 News reporter Lauren Spencer joins us now from the newsroom. She's looking into why the Department of Agriculture has reason to believe this could be a national security threat. Lauren.
Yeah, the company 411 South Zero Street LLC purchased the property very close to the 188th for $5 million earlier this month. However, Secretary of Agriculture Wes Ward says they might be violating Act 363, which prohibits foreign party-controlled businesses to purchase land in the state. In a letter to Attorney General Tim Griffin, Secretary Ward says through an initial investigation into the purchase, they claim that they have reasonable suspicion that the ownership has ties to China and the Communist Party. He says one apparent red flag is the fact that the LLC's name is the address of the property, and recommended the Attorney General's office investigates and possibly takes legal action. Secretary Ward says that the property being so close to the 188th could impose a national security threat, and they want to do everything that they can to protect the expanding military base and the bright spot for Fort Smith's future.
Any sort of action, especially in a place like that, when you're dealing with air assets, those aircraft are incredibly expensive. If you take an entity that could undermine and cripple one of those technologies or an asset, it could be extremely devastating.
We reached out to the Attorney General's office, who says they're in communication with federal and state agencies, and they're investigating the purchase. Lauren Spencer, 5 News.
All right, Lauren, thanks. We'll have much more of that tonight on your 5 News at 10.